There's an issue I've been meaning to talk about for some time, and that is the issue of civil commitment. I'm just going to define it here in this very short video as I'm out and about. But civil commitment, very simply put, is the process of the state depriving you of your liberty. And this is how. Of course, we're not talking about incarceration in the traditional sense, but it amounts to it in any way, yeah, in the same way. So if you have been convicted of a sex offense and you have been deemed of the higher tier, so to speak, the more quote unquote dangerous, which is often just an artifice of the law and not of the facts in the case, then you may well be put in solitary confinement well past your sentencing date under what is called civil commitment, whereby under the theory you are being held for your own protection and that of the community in isolation in basically a old style psychiatric torture chamber where you are effectively psychically tortured. You are left in this facility. They will not let you go. You're deprived of many of your rights, and you have to meet some kind of artificial benchmark, which they never quite tell you what it is, in order to be released, to you're cured. But the fact is, these folks really don't know how to cure people who are convicted of a sex offense, even if you do need treatment. So that's the effect on civil commitment. I've got a couple videos I've been meaning to put out for about a year now, and I really haven't. I'm going to scrap those in favor of a couple of new ones that have just come out through FAC. And, of course, they've got great stuff on their site. You have a lot of the sites I've talked about. You've got Stinging Back. You have Jest Played. You have and those are on YouTube as well. You have Substack, Caught in the Web. You have Uncage Us, all capital letters, all one word, on Facebook. And I'm sure I'm leaving something out. Forgive me if I am, but plenty of people are now getting in the act, pushing back, showing exactly how these illegal damn stings and their aftermath are being prosecuted.